I'm going to show you another ridiculously easy DIY, and that's how to make rosemary water. There are lots of different uses for it, but today I'm just going to show you how to make it. First thing you need, obviously, is rosemary. If you can get it fresh, mine grows in the garden, and make sure that it doesn't have any pesticides or garden sprays on it. Next, you want to fill up a pot with the sprigs that you've picked. I normally break them up into small pieces, and I'll keep adding these to the pan until it's pretty full. If you want to just put the whole thing in, you can go ahead and do that. You don't necessarily have to break it up into tiny pieces. I just do it because I find that the rosemary water at the end is a little bit stronger if I do it this way. Once you're sure that everything's submerged, you want to fill up the pot as much as you can because quite a lot of this is going to evaporate, so I want to minimize that as much as possible. I'm going to put this on a low heat, as low as I possibly can, because I want it to simmer for a good hour. If you can, get a lid. As you can see, mine doesn't quite fit. I do actually need to get a decent pot that has a lid that works. If you want to, every 20 minutes, maybe push the rosemary down beneath the surface of the water, you can, but it's not entirely necessary. You just want to make sure that it's not going to bubble up over the edges. Keep it on a low burn for as long as possible, and then after an hour, turn it off and we're going to start to depot it. Now, one thing I do want to point out is that if you don't use filtered water, you are going to get this lime scale floating on the very top, or at least if you live in a hard water area. This doesn't bother me because it will normally get picked out by a sieve, or if you want, just go over the surface of the water with a cloth and that will soak up all that lime scale. I'm just going to take all that water now and I'm going to put it into the bowl of water that I normally have on Bubby's nappy table so that I can use his nappy cloths in that. And then whatever's left over is just going to get potted away into a bottle. And then when I need some more, I'll just use whatever's left in the bottle and then make some more. And yes, this is very simple. I'm sorry if it's a little bit too easy, but hopefully you like the video. And at some point I will try and do one which covers all the different uses, or at least the uses I have for rosemary water. I hope you like the video. If you like it and you want to see more, you can follow the mailing list. The link to that is in the description box, and I'll have a new video for you soon.